Electric bikes are becoming increasingly popular, especially for those who want to get around town without using gas or diesel fuel. The annual sales of bicycles are expected to reach 30 billion units by the year 2030, with half of those being electric bikes. E-bikes also provide a great way to enjoy nature and get some exercise at the same time. There are several types of electric bicycles available today, ranging from folding models to off-road types. Most e-bikes now come equipped with GPS tracking systems so you can track their location and speed. The best electric bikes offer a smooth ride, good handling, and comfortable seats. They can also be judged based on a number of features such as adjustable handlebars, suspension seat posts, and brakes. But how do you know which e-bike is for you? Don't worry, because this video features the 10 best e-bikes in 2023 according to various categories. If you like what you see, don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and hit that bell to get notified of new videos. The list will start off with the best electric fat bike in 2023, and that is the Aventon Adventure. In 2021, Aventon released its first ever electric fat bike. The Adventure did not fail to impress with its 72-watt-hour battery that's fully integrated into the frame, a 750-watt Bafang rear hub motor, and an 8-speed drivetrain and hydraulic disc brakes. For a cost-effective electric fat bike, the Adventure handles electricity well and delivers a good performance off-road thanks to its great handling. It comes in the color black, red, green, and sandstone. Aventon really brought it when they released the Adventure. Now for the best step-through e-bike of 2023, we have the Blix Aventon Skyline. There are other models lower than the Aventon Skyline, but what it makes it better than its competitors is that it has a top tube, which positively gives the user better and more controlled handling. So despite being a step-through bike, the Skyline is somewhat more stable and stronger than the others. Even without the motor, the Skyline still gives you what you want in a simple bike. Also, for an affordable e-bike, the Skyline has an eye-catching glossy paint job. If a step-through e-bike is what you're looking for, then look no further because the Aventon Skyline is in the market. Blix really did a terrific job on this one. The best Class 2 commuter of 2023 would have to be the Rad Power bike's Rad City 5 Plus. This was released in late 2021 and the design is exceptional. The 750-watt rear hub motor has been redesigned and the 672-watt-hour battery has been reworked so that it is partially integrated into the frame. The company decided to get rid of the mechanical brakes and replace them with hydraulic disc brakes and maintain the 7-speed drivetrain. The rear rack is designed to carry heavy cargo and a built-in eyelet in case you want to attach a child seat. With this e-bike, you'll have no issues riding your child or carrying groceries. This e-bike won't disappoint in helping you perform daily tasks. For the best Class 3 commuter of 2023, we have the Ride 1-Up 700 series. The Ride 1-Up has everything you want in a commuter e-bike. The integrated rear rack is of high weight capacity and it has all the necessary commuter bike attachments, including a rear light. It runs on a 750-watt rear hub motor and a battery pack that has 672-watt-hours and is fully integrated into the frame. You also get a 7-speed drivetrain with hydraulic brakes. This is also faster compared to the Rad Power bike's Rad City 5 Plus. The model is relatively cheaper than its competitors, making it the most ideal purchase of a Class 3 commuter e-bike in 2023. The spot of the best folding bike of 2023 should go to the Lectric XP 2.0. This bike is popular with college students and people who like to take trips in their RVs. It can fit just about anywhere you put it. You can put it in the back of your car or truck, go somewhere far, and take the bike out for a ride. That's really what the bike is for. It is powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor, a 48-volt 9.6 amp-hour battery that's internally integrated into the frame, mechanical disc brakes, and a 7-speed drivetrain. The Lectric XP 2.0 is the definition of an affordable yet fun foldable e-bike. Now, the QuietKat Jeep is easily the best all-terrain e-bike of 2023. This e-bike sits at the top of the fairly new category called electric hunting bikes. These types of bikes are so quiet that hunters would take them during trips to avoid alerting animals that they wanted to hunt. The QuietKat is powered by a 1000-watt Bafang ultra-mid drive motor and is equipped with a 672-watt-hour battery that's internally integrated in the frame. If that's too powerful, you can get the street-legal 750-watt version. One noticeable feature is the inverted front fork that was installed to make the chassis more rigid. Changing direction on the electric fat bike is quite challenging because of the large rotating mass of the front tire. There aren't a lot of e-bikes that can compete with the Quiet Cat on terrains and 4x4 roads. Moving on to the best cruiser e-bike for 2023, we have the electric bike company Model S. This e-bike is undeniably comfortable, and the size is just something to adore. One of the perks you get with this is that the company allows customers to customize the model to their liking, from the color of the bike to the size of the battery and the basket, and even the drivetrain. A 500-watt rear hub motor provides the power for this model. With its massive 864 watt-hour battery, this bike has an incredible range. No other cruiser came close to matching the Model S in 2023, so it being on this list isn't really a surprise. The title for the best utility e-bike goes to Rad Power Bike's Rad Runner Plus. This bike consists of a 750-watt rear hub motor and a 672 watt-hour battery. It's equipped with mechanical disc brakes and a 7-speed drivetrain. The bike's design is sort of inspired by moped-style e-bikes, but it really is for utility purposes. The frame-integrated rear rack allows the bike to carry heavy weight while running. It also allows you to attach baskets, bolts, racks, and other stuff to it. If you like taking your kids for a ride, then this bike is for you. It's also a great bike for anyone new to the e-bike scene because this model delivers. For the best high-performance e-bike of 2023, we have the Specialized Turbo Vado. The company behind this e-bike has arguably poured more resources into its engineering and design than any other competitor. Specialized has done an incredible job of modeling the motion of a rider's pedaling in their motors. The feeling is similar to that of having a very powerful tailwind behind you that is pushing you up to Class 3 speeds close to 28 miles per hour. Additionally, Specialized has developed an app and a control mechanism that enables a rider to update the software of the bike from home via over-the-air updates. This is a huge improvement, especially given that the company is continually pushing the limits of the software that runs their e-bikes. You'll definitely have no regrets about buying the Turbo Vado. The last bike on this list is the Turn HSD, which is the best city and urban e-bike of 2023. The bike is built to handle any task you throw at it. Turn is different from other companies. They've put a lot of effort into how you might use the HSD in your daily life, viewing e-bikes as more of a tool than a toy. The rear rack is large and sturdy, with a capacity of up to 132 pounds. This bike can also easily be classified as a short tail or a kind of small electric cargo bike because of it. Additionally, it can be flipped on its back to fit into a small area, such as a tight nook in your garage or a hall closet. The racking systems, accessory systems, and overall adjustability of the bike show that a lot of thought went into the design. The HSD can even be ridden by a 6'5" person who weighs 375 pounds. Now that is impressive. This was EV News Network on the top 10 bikes of 2023. What bike will you be buying? Comment down below.